my name is Blissful Melissa, and today we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box. So this is the second one I've gotten. The first one I ordered, and you have like a 3-day window to try it on, buy it, and send back what you don't want. So I didn't record that because it was like I was getting ready to go out of town, and I just didn't have time. So I just tried on some stuff and then send it back. But this time, I thought I would share with you guys. So you do get 5 items that are personally picked out for you by a stylist, and the styling fee is $20. So even if I don't keep any of these items, I only pay $20. Shipping's included, and we can just ship it all back, but hopefully we'll find some cute stuff. So our first item, I was very intrigued by these. I have opened this and kind of peeked through already, so I've already reacted to them, but there's these joggers. Look at this. Look at that pattern. I cannot wait to try these on because they don't feel like normal joggers, but on the inside they do. But they're kind of nicer, I guess. So we got these, super cute. We got this cute turquoise top. It's like a knit material though, and I'm not a big fan of the material. It's like super snaggy feeling. But we will try it on. It's just a simple top. Still pretty cute. This was the item I was super excited about. It's a bodysuit. Let's see if I can find the top. Here we go. So it's a real dress shirt top, and it has little button sleeves, and then of course the body, because it's a bodysuit. So I'm super excited about this. I hope it looks cute. I hope it works. We got a pair of earrings. Last time I didn't get any jewelry. So these are Kate Spade earrings. They're turquoisey. They're nice. I don't wear jewelry like that a lot. I do like gold jewelry, but as you can tell, I really don't have any earrings in right now. Real fast, before we get to the last item, I know we're kind of like blowing through this. I will try it on for you all, but I don't know if I like my bangs or don't like my bangs. So that's why they're kind of like swooped to the side. I could fluff them back across. I'm kind of letting them grow out because I don't know what to do. And I've been pinning them back a lot, as you guys have probably noticed. But yeah, I'd love to hear if I should keep them, get rid of them, because I don't know what I want. And the last item in our box is a pair of boyfriend jeans with a cute little cuff. Simple, no stressing, more of a light wash, because I do like light wash jeans. So let's change. Here's the outfit. The jeans are pretty cute. I don't know how well you can see. Sorry about this. We're so clean. Bodysuit doesn't quite work the sleeves. There's no way I could button them. Like, even if I pulled it all the way down, they won't button. So the bodysuit's probably no, but I do really like it with these pants a lot. Yeah, so here's outfit 1. Here's the top, and I obviously didn't wear the right kind of bra. Okay, so sorry, that's the box on the floor. I'm not feeling this material. It's a little weird. So what you do, I'm kind of confused. So you put in which size you usually wear, how you like things to fit, how much you weigh, and then they can do it. But all of my things seem a little tight. And I put in the size that I wear, so I don't know if it runs small maybe, but because I usually wear an 18-20 on the top, or a women's 2X, and this is a women's 2X and it's too tight. It's like, I think it just runs a little small, because like that bodysuit was a little tight and it was a women's 18. These pants fit great though, and they're an 18. Say on the pants I usually wear an 18 and they fit fine, sometimes even a 16, but who knows. I hope those joggers work though, because those are my favorite. For the pants, very loud. I don't like them on as much as I thought I would. They are pretty cute. I did, yeah. Pulled back bangs. I'm done with them. They are pretty cute, but the material, like walking, it's very sticky to itself, so I'm not a big fan. This was not a very good Stitch Fix box. Like the first one I got was in spring. Oh, and I have this really cute pair of boots in it that I got, and a really cute cardigan that I kept as well. I mean, I was so excited. So I was like, oh, I can't wait for the next one. I'm like, I feel like these are kind of duds. I do like the jeans though. The first pair of jeans they sent or dark blue. I wouldn't even try them on, not gonna lie. Cause I don't wear dark colors, and like I fill out this huge thing and you answer all of these questions, and I kind of feel like these things are not the things that I'd wear, except the bodysuit, but that didn't work. But now we gotta fill out the little thing and send them back. So we've tried on all the clothes, crazy, and they send you this big bag to put it all back in. So we're gonna be putting it all back in, I think. And so I have canceled it because it is kind of expensive. Like, I was looking up the prices for these things, and the earrings alone were like $48. I was like, whew. Okay. And like the bodysuit was like $88, the jeans were $60. I'm not that expensive, not gonna lie, but it is a really cute idea. I wish some of the items fit, because I would have bought the bodysuits, like 100% would have bought the bodysuit, but instead we're gonna pack it all back in the bag. And so then online, what you'll do is you'll check out, and if you're buying anything, then you'll put in your payment information and whatnot and take care of it there. But if not, then you just send it back. Realized I didn't try on the earrings, so here they are. I actually really like them. I know I said I wasn't a big fan, but I think I might keep these, even though they all like $48, I think I'm gonna keep them. They're at Kate Spade, so they're pretty cute. But my mom is trying to convince me to keep the jeans, but I found out the jeans were like $88. I was like, probably not gonna lie. But you can exchange things, so if they are too small and you would like them in a bigger size, you can exchange it for something else, but I just don't have the energy to exchange anything. So earrings, definitely keeping, really like them. Very stylish and fun. And I do like blue. Blue and yellow are my favorite color, so. Oh wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ding the little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know if you've also tried Stitch Fix and what you thought of it. I mean, the first box I got, very successful, very cute, loved it. Would have bought all the items, but I don't have that much money to just spend on 5 items of clothing. But you know, it's something different. It's like a subscription box for clothes. It's mystery. It was fun. Probably won't do it again anytime soon. Just, you know, and I do update it before it comes. They send you a little email to like update, see if anything's changed, and I did. And oh wow, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. More thing I just thought of. Wow, this is awful. So your $20 styling fee, if you do purchase anything, you get $20 off technically, because you've always been paid for $20. So if you buy a $40 item, you only pay $20 extra. So it is kind of nice. And if you do buy all the items, you get like a 25% off discount, which I think is great. But just thought you should know in case you were interested. I will leave a link down below if you want to get your hands on one of these boxes and try it out. Maybe it'll work great for you. Who knows?